Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA Loan Pro video quick tip. Today's video tip will shed light on how to qualify for a USDA home loan after a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. And as you will see, it may be quicker than you think. But before we get started, don't forget to download our free loan comparison chart with the link below. This simple one-page chart breaks down the waiting periods required for mortgage qualification after a bankruptcy, foreclosure, or short sale. USDA guidelines state the following regarding Chapter 7 bankruptcy qualifying. Chapter 7 of Title 11 of the U.S. Bankruptcy Code controls the process of asset liquidation. A trustee is appointed to liquidate non-exempt assets to pay creditors. After the proceeds are exhausted, the remaining debt is discharged. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy discharged or dismissed more than 36 months at the time of loan application is not considered adverse credit. So, can you qualify for a USDA loan with a Chapter 7 bankruptcy less than 3 years ago? As mentioned, if a bankruptcy occurs 36 months prior to the application date, it will be deemed to have met the USDA bankruptcy waiting period. However, one exception to the 3-year waiting period is when you obtain an accept response through the USDA Guaranteed Underwriting System, also known as GUS. When you are able to obtain this automated acceptance, USDA guidelines do not require an exception to the 3-year waiting period and state the following. GUS may render an accept underwriting recommendation for loan files that have been discharged from Chapter 7 bankruptcy less than 36 months. No credit exception is required. Additionally, if your file receives a GUS response of refer with caution, or for those manually underwritten loan files, you can still qualify for a USDA loan with less than 3 years after bankruptcy with an approved credit exception. USDA guidelines provide the following for these situations. The approved lender may determine the applicant is creditworthy when their Chapter 7 bankruptcy has been discharged less than 36 months. A credit exception must be documented and submitted with the loan file. Remember that GUS is USDA's automated underwriting system and is available to assist lenders such as Metroplex Mortgage Services in the USDA loan approval process. If you are in need of a credit exception, please contact us today so we can help review your situation. In summary, while guidelines generally require 3 years after a bankruptcy discharge or dismissal in order to qualify for a USDA loan, exceptions can be made for less than that period depending on the type of underwriting and the circumstances of the situation. As an approved USDA lender, we are known for our program expertise and have specific systems in place to process USDA loans from pre-qualification to closing. Just call or email if you have any USDA qualifying questions, want to discuss a new scenario, or would just like to take advantage of our free second opinion service, which is great for those existing transactions. I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next tip of the week.